The struggle is over, we shall wear the victor's crown, we shall wear the victor's crown, we shall wear the victor's crown. When the struggle is over, we shall wear the victor's crown in the new Uganda. Kawatero Donglwen, Wabiro la Lucano, Wabiro la Lucano, Wabiro la Lucano, Kawatero Donglwen, Wabiro la Lucano, Uganda Manyen. People power, our power, our power, people power. Yes, megina kilo megina, vodka bero mapat, won mauti gang, won mauti rock. Amor won do you, a foil a pipa karachuri, mi guaco woon, it won mapat, ka wenka muti ye. Luong ying an la diro kelo Samuel Sebi, maunga ying Sebastian, Ogoni, won komia beat mi guru district. Jowa, a chikilo manok adada. Mawa chinika chwal bodu kicheng baraja matin ne chapiang manyen niang manyen watika lor dong dwe nini ujowa uyena afor ba magwa un kabir weng mauti ye lutia wa amero wechuani chichok nini atam no now lumir chante Lumiri chane mano kubino kapone nigiti opposition. Eto unumiri gino tika mukane. Dona di yang bino koro chidut gwa nan kamale. Dano magiti ada ene data anin. An party ka bino kayenyu chane miti kinyin ka. Ana tingara cheli ya chuli mapechate ampati chalo dang chalo mauge dang chalo mapenduzi dang chalo kolgi dang chalo lugena jere la konji magi charo kachate ni you know what I am more better than those people because those people they use opposition just to make their bargaining power be hard but governmented. But anati you position me serving down my mega. Ati you position me chunkilwa my mega magiti kamaraj. Ati you position me bino kanani kamaraj kiyobo. And any gimu anti you position. And party you position piani ati ka bini business transaction. At kira jomu kene madam gu you museveni tika bino and offer mu tie mata odun chakamini ki Dongurion, Makumi Miela, Piano, Gitan do. Those people, they are not leaders. They are not leaders. Because as a leader, first of all, ask yourself, why are you opposing the government? Opposition. Iti acquire Girangon. Piano, opposition, Jomaki, Tampa Gamente. So mama yiti ka kwara ne maraj ma inano ni wa yiti opposition. These are things ma no ipen ko yewi. Ero pe ibini opposition kitwin money ni shanti mo de okomio. Piani at the end of it you are going to betray your people. At the end of it you will cross. If issue of poverty is the one disturbing you and that's why you are in opposition, then you don't know why you are in opposition. You should not be in opposition because of poverty or because you want money from the government, because time will come when you will betray your people. So those ones who claim that they are in opposition and right now they have crossed, those were not actually in opposition. They were just opportunists. They were just seeking for fortune seekers. Let me say, they are not actually genuine oppositions. For you, when you are opposing something, you should know why you are opposing that thing. Like for me, I know what I'm opposing. We have land grabbing in our area.